Hi guys, welcome to my channel Coded. Today you are going to learn how to display social media icons with their respective account links on your Shopify theme footer section. So without wasting much time friends, let's start with this tutorial. But if you haven't subscribed to my channel Coded then please go ahead and click the subscribe button down. So open Shopify backend and then we need to click on online store under the sales channel, and then under online store you need to open themes. So this is the live theme that I am using called refresh. So in your case it might be different. So whatever your live theme is, you need to click on the customize button over here. So once you click on the customize button, the Shopify theme customizer will open for you. So this is the Shopify theme customizer over here. You're going to see all the options which you can use to customize the Shopify theme. So now let's click on the second button which is theme setting. So once we click on it, you are going to get some of the options. So these are the theme settings. Now we need to click on social media option over here. So this is going to open the social media options for us. So over here you can see all the social accounts like Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, TikTok, Tumblr, Snapchat, YouTube and Vimeo. So once you give the link of your social media handle, then it will be displayed on the footer section. Now if you see, currently I have Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok and YouTube. So only under the social accounts where I have given the link, those particular options of social accounts are shown over there. So which are not given like Pinterest are not shown. So you can add the social media handles of your respective platforms over here. Like let me show you to add for Pinterest. So I will paste a Pinterest link. So it must have your Pinterest profile link basically. Since I don't have an account on Pinterest, I've directly posted the link of the Pinterest website. So it will be like pinterest.com then slash your profile name. So now if you see over here the Pinterest icon is appearing. Similar if you enter for Snapchat like Snapchat I'll see. So then the Snapchat icon is coming over here. So this is how we display the icons on this footer section of social media accounts along with their social media links. So now let's click on save. So this is going to save changes for us. Now let me open the front end of the website. Let's see whether the changes are appearing on the front end or not. So I have opened the front end of the website. Now let me scroll down at the bottom next to the footer section. So there we go guys. We can see the Pinterest and the Snapchat icon along with their links. So this is how we display social media accounts in the footer section. So I hope you have liked this video. To get more videos like these, please go ahead and click the subscribe button down. Also don't forget to press the bell icon to get all notifications related to my new videos. Till then signing off from this video. Thank you.